it's okay to not take certain phone calls when you're coming to the kingdom of God, when you're coming to the temple of God. It's okay to not read some messages. It's okay to not take certain calls, because sometimes we let the devil in. Because what we hear in those conversations, we're not able to get it out of our minds throughout service, or the worship is not what it should be. Let us focus wholly and completely upon God this morning. We have to open our eyes to see what's happening in the world. If you watch the opening ceremony of the Olympics, they mocked God openly.